Hi, this is Errol. I'd like to introduce the bulk article generator. This is really a beast. It can do the same thing like the bulk scheduler and the content editor. The only thing is you can create 200 articles, you can zip them down, and you can use them for example SEO Neo, Ranker X, GSA, and Money Robot of course. So let's dive into it. I gonna do the Xero shoes again, the barefoot. So I go to title generator and I need a lot of titles. I keep it in English. I do question titles, say 100, and let's go. And there they are. I'm gonna copy them. So we go to bulk article generator. I keep how it is now. I use the content prompt. I only take for the purpose of this demo. I take 4. The business name, let's go for Xero shoes. In this case, I put betting out. I put this out because I don't want any links in content because this is for Web 2.0s, cloud sites. And I only want for the branding, I want the business name. Blog article, standard, English 3.5. I'm not going for 1200 words, not necessary if it's for Web 2.0s. Professional, yeah, can do. We also can do friendly, detailed. I would go for briefly. General, public, keep it like this. Medium, complexity, and third person. I'm not gonna do key takeaways. I like the blog quotes. I like the pros and cons and the conclusion. So let's see. Use exact keyword as title. Yes, we're gonna use this. The custom prompt. We're not gonna do this gig for GSA, and we don't need shortcodes, so I keep it like it is. Advanced AI features, I'm not gonna use it now. The article variations. This is interesting if you want to have variations on one keyword. Let's go. Okay, they are done. 5 articles successfully generated. Click on OK. I'm gonna zip them. This is the way it looks. I'm gonna copy them. We go to SEO Neo, import. I'm gonna put this in. Go H1 tag, fix the one tag. And there you are. Then you have really nice, perfect content. Branding is also perfect. That's it. Bye bye.